This is Free Money Wednesdays, where funding meets vision. Access becomes strategy, the fastest way to get attention. Apply for funding that lets them see your brand in motion. If you're building something worth backing, visibility starts here.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much for staying with us. I'm Coach Raquel. Welcome to Free Money Wednesdays, where we don't chase money, we steward mission. That's what we do, all right? March 2026 is packed with serious funding across research, workforce development, museums, social services, renewable energy, and community impact. So let's move quickly.
Strong organizations are built on more than strategy, they're built on people. At Human Impact Development Consulting, we help organizations strengthen leadership and support staff well-being. We put clear people systems in place that actually work. From HR advisory and policy development to leadership support, we cover it all. Our approach is practical, ethical, and people-centered. If ready for clarity, confidence, and sustainable impact, visit sandrinedunkley.com. Human Impact Development Consulting, where people systems meet performance.
March 2026 grant listing. You're going to be watching this show, I think is at the 27th of April, of February. Oh my gosh, I'm at April. You're going to be watching this before the list comes out, but by the time this comes out on the March 1st, okay? So you'll be able to access all this information on my website at the link on the screen, mycoachministry.com/blog. Okay, so it will be right there. I'm highlighting some for you. On March 1, when it's published, you can get it. And if you're not yet signed up, you need to go to my website and you need to subscribe so you get the alerts when the blogs come out. All right. So research and innovation, Harry Frank Guggenheim, or is it Juggenheim? African Fellow Awards, 10,000 Research Fellowship. The deadline for this is the 1st of March. Day one, baby. Day one. Oligo Talks Open Data Challenge, 500,000. The deadline is February 28th. Don't miss this one. Don't miss this one. And you'll see this before it happens. So make sure you get it. Complement RTP Prize 7 Million Innovation Challenge. If you're building knowledge, science, or global solutions, there is funding aligned. Then we have workforce and youth development. Youth Build, 98 million nationally. EOBB Workforce Training, 100,000. If you're training people, creating opportunity, or building pipelines, March is your month. Now, museums and cultural institutions, March 13 is major. IMLS programs include Museums for America, African American History and Culture grants, Latino History and Culture grants, Library Leadership grants. Awards range from $5,000 to $1 million. If you preserve stories, funders are investing in legacy. Social services and community impact. Human trafficking victim services, up to 27.7 million. Community health and equity funds, national technical assistance programs, 24 million. If you serve vulnerable communities, funding is available. Now, energy and global innovation, EU cross-border renewable energy, 150 million euros total call. Energy Catalyst Round 11, between 50,000 and 300,000 euros. Innovation is being funded globally. Mindset reminder, and I want to change the graphic you're seeing right now. I'm sharing with you now some tips, 5 tips for March grant application, and it's on the screen now. Mindset reminder, you do not serve a small mean deficit-minded God. Okay? Funding is not random. It flows where vision is clear, outcomes are measurable, preparation meets purpose. Apply strategically, submit early, track your pipeline. If you need personalized support, identifying the right grants and strengthening your applications, upgrade to the Calm Collective paid memberships at mycoachministry.com. So, right before we close out, I just want to share with you, I can't even read it. So here are 5 top tips for March grant applications, right? Number 1, explore the list. 2, make a short list. Interest based on your interest and your eligibility. Visit the links and deep dive. Learn more. What it's asking for. All the information is not on the blog because I couldn't fit everything there. But the links are provided so you can go a deep dive. Seek help if needed. Don't have to come to me for help, but find help, right? Prepare your documentation and apply. And it is my hope and my ask that please, when you apply to grants that you got here, please come back to the blog to share your thoughts in the comment section, just so we can hear how was the process. Did you win? What were the lessons? Anything. Or just to tell us, I applied, anything. I love the feedback. So this is Free Money Wednesdays. We build, we apply, we steward. All right. We build, apply, and we steward. So I'm Coach Raquel. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this program. And most of all, it is my hope and my prayer that you found it useful, that you were able to find solutions from having been here. All right. This has been Free Money Wednesdays. I love to open new packages. I want to deliver the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me. So I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.